I'm Roy Holmfeld. My wife Tracy and I started Tracy's Custom Home Designs in 2006 when we were looking to build our personal home. Today we're based in Farmersville, Texas. Being an engineer and familiar with CAD programs, I was looking for something that would give us the opportunity to draw houses, and I settled on Chief Architect. And we purchased our first version 10, back then. Word spread about our plans and the 3D renderings that we could create, so many others sought our services to create their custom home. Our business has since grown, and we've added talented employees. We now own 7 copies of Chief Architect that help us draw our clients' house plans. We look forward to Chief Architect's new release each year so that we can see what new features are going to be unveiled. At Tracy's Custom Home Design, we pride ourselves on listening to our clients and creating custom homes that meet their needs. We design about 120 custom homes a year that can be built by custom home builders in our area. Although we work nationwide, 95% of our customers come within a 30-mile radius of our location in Farmersville, Texas. Today, our designers and I will show you how we utilize Chief Architect in our business and share with you our favorite features and productivity tips. Let's go!
My favorite productivity tip is to use the Adjust Material definition. I click that in the toolbar and go over whatever material I want to lighten or change the properties of, and it's a quick way to modify something. Another productivity tip I have is to invest in a 3D mouse. Chief has amazing 3D rendering technology, and this is a great way to show your clients a walkthrough of their home in person or video record it.
My favorite productivity tip is primarily used when doing 2-story homes. Either in 3D, you move the wall, or you change ceiling heights, or you change the plate height on the roof. Sometimes there are a piece of the wall showing through the roof or gaps in the walls on the exterior, and a way to fix that is going into the wall specifications, and under the structure tab, you can change the walls back to the default top and bottom heights. In doing this, it will take away those gaps that you saw before, and make the walls go back to their default height based on the ceiling heights that you have in your home.
Our office chooses to use hotkeys for almost everything because we feel it's quicker and more efficient than using your mouse to find the tool on the toolbar. We use the ones that Chief Architect already has and then ones that we create ourselves. We recommend using the keys on the left side of the keyboard so that your hand can already be resting here while your right hand is using the mouse. So hotkeys are keyboard shortcuts, and to make a hotkey, you go up to Tools, Toolbars and Hotkeys, Customize Hotkeys, and then you can type in whatever command you're wanting to create. So for example, outlet, and here you can see that it is already assigned as O on the keyboard, but if it wasn't assigned, you'd go down here and type in whatever letter you're wanting to assign it to, and then push assign. And to show you how that works, so since it's assigned as outlet, you type O on the keyboard, and depending on where the placement is, your outlet defaults are set to do a floor outlet placed here, or a wall outlet like here, and then in the garage we have our default set to be a ceiling outlet for garage doors.
We will sit down with our customers and go through our home design questionnaire. We will ask them what window and door types, as well as door openings, they would prefer in their home. Then when we begin to start the file, we will open up our custom template, and we have a copy of the windows and doors already put into walls. We will select for the window, and we will come over and hit that as set as our default. Now all of our windows will be set up for that particular wall type and window. The same will go with our doors. We will click the door that's underneath our template and click Set as Default. Same with our Craftsman openings. We will click Set as Default. And now we are ready to start drawing our new house. A couple of years ago, Chief released in one of their versions the ability to do horizontal framing members. This has become very popular for us as we complete our barn-dominium designs here in Texas. So as we have completed the floor plan design and we have added in our steel walls and our steel I-beams, we now can switch to the roof plane. And in this location, we can click our roofs, and if we make the selections in our Structure tab underneath Roof Layers, here we can set how thick our I-beams are, as well as make sure that our structural purlins are checked, and we use 8-inch C-purlins with equal spacing. And we will generate a roof plane like that. And then in 3D, we can visualize what that actually looks like. And this becomes much quicker in creating structural drawings. One of the best productivity tips we have at Tracys Custom Home Design is we have created our custom user libraries. As you can tell within Chief Architect, there are many different manufacturer and custom libraries that come loaded or that you can purchase through Chief Architect. But in the user catalog, we can download some of those items to make it a much shorter list. For instance, we have set up our appliances. So we have a standard 18-inch ice maker, 18-inch trash drawer, a dishwasher, ranges, whether they be gas or electric, and refrigerators. These can easily be selected and then placed into our customer's house plan for efficiency.